huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? What's going on, family? It's your guy C Notes, and welcome to Sneaker Notes. Today is all about the Airmax. Monday was Airmax Day. Somehow Nike made it to where they turned Airmax Day to Airmax Week to Airmax Month. But before we get into all the Airmax stuff, you already know how we do on the Sneaker Channel. I want to see what y'all wore on feet today. In the comments below, I want you to comment what you wore on feet today, why, and the fit you wore with it. Today, I got on the Airmax Gucci Undefeated 9.7s. Airmax Day, I had to do it. Let's cut to how those look. The Airmax Undefeated in the Gucci color is one of the dopest Airmax ever. And if you're gonna go Airmax, then you gotta go Airmax. So now let's get into the Airmax that came out for Airmax Month this year. First, we gotta talk about it. The Airmax Animal pack. Man, this is a sexy shoe, man. For all the animals on this sneaker, I don't know how Peter ain't get involved in this situation. On the top, you got your zebra. Again, it's not a technical channel, so if I get an animal wrong, comment down in the section below. Let me know what's going on. You got your pony. Got your cheetah print. Matter of fact, let's roll the B-roll so you can see the sneaker a little better. Dope sneaker, man. Comes with 3 laces. Again, you never go wrong with Gucci. Ever. Now, this week's drops. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This week, I'm sleeping, man. You got your Jordan 11 Lows Emerald. It's a nice green, nice emerald green, but I'm gonna tell y'all this, listen carefully. Jordan 11 Lows are for women and kids. I repeat, women and kids. Men should not wear Jordan Lows ever. But if you do, to each his own, family. If they was high top, I'll be all on them. But those drop Saturday. Of course, they're an Easter shoe. Jordan brand is real smart with that. I think they cost about $175. Double check behind me. This is not a technical channel. I'm not copying. Other than that, you got your LeBron 15 cereals. Are you buying those? Are those sneakers for you? Because they not for me. I go find the biggest trash can and throw those in the trash can. Yo! They're not for me. Comment down below, let me know what you copping this week. Maybe you like them LeBrons. Maybe you're a guy and you think that 11 lows is for you. I don't know, man. But until next time, get rich.